This is the video about daily and ad hoc checkouts in our new inventory module. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's start by viewing the daily checkout list. First, click on the Inventory tab. Next, select Stocks. At the submenu on the left, choose Checkout. Here, we can see the list of daily checkout items. You can filter the list by the checkout date to narrow down the results. So, this is the daily checkout. We also have Ad Hoc Checkout. To view the list for Ad Hoc Checkout, click on the Ad Hoc tab. Here, we can see the list of Ad Hoc Checkout items and filter them by checkout date and items. Let's move on to how you can add, edit, and delete a daily checkout. To add a daily checkout, first, click on the button at the bottom right of the page. Next, fill in the necessary details for the checkout. Click Add Item to the checkout list, check the item details, and then click Save to complete the process. We can now see that the daily checkout has been added. To delete a daily checkout, click on the Delete button. To edit an existing daily checkout, click the Edit button, then click on the pencil icon to make changes. After making changes, click Save to update the daily checkout. The edited changes have now been saved. Now, let's look at how to confirm a daily checkout. At this list, we can see that the checkout status is still unconfirmed. To confirm the checkout, click on the checkout ID. Click Confirm Checkout. A prompt box will appear. Click Confirm to finalize. Now we can see that the status of the checkout has changed to confirmed. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.